Me, I bow. You bow. I'm John Scott. I'm the choreographer of actions in the bowing dance, and I also perform both roles in the bowing dance. Both pieces are duets. One has a solo performer performing both roles, and the other is two performers who are possibly the same person performing two solos at the same time. Everyone internationally is talking about Zvonimir and his preparations festival, Queer Zagreb, all the amazing people he brings here. We're very honored, very excited to be in such great company. Bow down.
When I was coming here, I was very surprised. We started talking about the definition of the word queer, and it's just different. It's not a gay thing or a straight thing. It's just kind of like a different thing, different dance, different people, and, dance is for everyone, not just queer, So the festival has been an eye-opener in that aspect of the word queer, which has been great.
My hand is going to explode.
It was all fast, and it was so fast that the dancers were just gasping for breath, and one of the dancers in particular was killing himself, Mark, another dancer, and Michael had to put in all these things to slow Mark down so that he wouldn't die, and also so that we had a shape to the choreography. And the dialogue became part of the survival, and we're watching them surviving the work.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Philip.
I love the way Philip and Michael attack each other and criticize each other, because it's very positive, but it's very realistic, it's very honest.
This work I try to research and find a movement that can make thought about what is all the preparation that is before a birth. I try to cancel a human being and try to move in a sort of vegetative state. So yes, I try to really put myself like a plant in that box, and in fact the title, La quiescenza del seme, is a particular characteristic about plant, that they can be like a sleepy seed for many years, waiting for the good atmosphere outside to grow again.